of the industry. And sir, what I think is that earlier, means I have done MTech, but I wanted to switch over to an industry, sir. And always I like to deal things practically in the nature, sir. And if I will be selected, sir, I will be doing my job 100 with 100% efficiency, and I will take care of the all the responsibility which will be provided to me by the management, and I will not make the, I will also report them if whatever consequences is not solved by me, so that I can take decision from them and I can incorporate it, sir.
Good, good, good.
So that
So
this
what
has
are
been work
the
in a healthy condition.
so what are your strengths?
So what?
What are your strengths?
Strength. Sir, my strength is that, sir, I am a hardworking guy, sir. Right from my childhood, sir, I have been consistent. My performance is consistent, sir. And also in my masters, I have pursued a second rank, sir.
Good.
Besides that, sir, I am also able to manage things patiently, sir. When things does not go right with me, sir, I will hold my patience so that at the end I will be in a position to get the results, sir. And I am also dealing the things confidently, and I like to work in a cooperation manner, sir. I like to take all under my confidence and to make them always be always and to make others also feel positively to work in the industry.
Good, good, good. So as it is nowadays, are you working or you are not working?
Uh, no, sir, I am not working, sir. Actually, from last 2 years, sir, I was waiting for the opportunity. I have given different exams, sir. And this year, sir, after February month, sir, this Corona, because of that, sir, all the exams have been shifted, sir. So, in meanwhile, sir, I have decided to go for a private job also, sir. But anyhow, that result got in, sir. And therefore, sir, I again back with my preparation, sir.
Very
So
good.
that I should not leave anything for an interview, sir.
Yeah. Now, can you tell me what is the mission of Coal India Limited?
Definitely, sir. Mission is something, sir, which is the target of company to achieve for means today, sir. And in the mission, sir, they are saying which company has a goal to produce and market the standard quality of coal by taking in concern the environment concern, quality, and also security of the country, and to dispatch that amount of coal to the consumers, sir, in the market.
Good, good. यहाँ पर दिया है to produce and market the planned quantity of coal and coal products efficiently and economically in an eco-friendly manner. That word did you use? I am not sure. With due
अच्छा,
regard to
eco-friendly.
safety, conservation, and quality. Second points you said. Did you use the
अच्छा,
word
हाँ.
eco-friendly? पता नहीं.
No, sir. I have not used eco-friendly.
वो
I
बोलना
have
है
used,
वो जरूर
हाँ,
बोलना है. Then if you tell like this, then they may ask you what is eco-friendly.
अच्छा, अच्छा. Eco-friendly means, sir, by taking in concern the environment issues and also having the technological advancement, sir, at the same time.
Good. What is the vision of Coal India Limited?
Vision, sir.
Vision to emerge as a global player
हाँ,
in the primary energy sector,
security.
committed to provide energy security to the country by attaining environmentally and socially sustainable growth through
Okay.
best practices from
In the
mine
mind
to
to
market.
market.
और
Yes.
एक बार बोलते हैं द विजन इज
हाँ,
टू emerge as a global player in the primary energy sector, committed to provide energy security to the country by attaining environmentally and socially sustainable growth through best practices from mine to market.
market.
Acha, do you have any idea how much of percentage of electricity are we producing using coal?
So nearly, sir, 60 to 70% of energy in India is produced by the coal, sir.
Does it mean that we are using only coal available in our country, or are we importing from other countries?
No, sir. We are importing the coal, sir, from the other countries also, like Australia and other Indonesia, sir. The reason is that, sir, first of all, means the coal which is required for the power sources is not up to that requirement the company which is required, sir. And also to fulfill that gap also, sir, the company is trying to import the coal from other countries, sir, which is of higher calorific value, sir.
Good.
So, in this Atmanirbhar Bharat plan, the Prime Minister, our Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji has advised that if we are having all the resources of coal in our country and if we are still not able to mine that coal up to the requirement of our power plant, then it is a serious crime because lot of money is wasted in the import of coal, sir.
Okay. Now, can you tell me what is? Did you go through the annual report? Say of in Hindi or English in 2019-20. There is a big booklet they have brought out.
So recently only I have seen that.
What is that about? Can you tell me? I am not able to get the English version. Can you tell me
Sir,
what is
I
it?
have got just now I have downloaded, sir. It is there in the for financial, sir. Employee performance group. One tab is there, sir, in the CIL this website, sir. In the performance tab, sir, financial part it is given, sir. The annual report means, sir, it will highlight all the advancement in the technology, all the concerns, all with respect to the society, and how the company is producing the achieving its growth over the in that academic year, and what was the its impact on pollution. Which all the data is being clubbed and provided in that report, sir.
Who is the chairman of Coal India Limited?
Sir, present chairman of Coal India Limited is Sir Pramod Agarwal, sir.
Very good. Who is Yatinder Prasad? Mrs. Yatinder Prasad. One of the directors.
Okay, sir.
One of the directors is given as chairman is Agrawal, technical director is Dayal, RP Srivastava personnel, S Soni finance, SN Tiwari marketing. Yatinder Prasad is a part-time official director.
Acha.
It is given in the booklet.
Side.
It's given in the booklet only. Good, excellent. Pramod Agarwal, very good, very good, excellent. So you, if you want, you can just go through that. You can also find out what is the total profit, net profit of the company. What is the dispatches made by them in 2019-20? You know how many tons they have dispatched coal?
Sir, in this 2020, sir, it has made a record, sir. It has increased its production beyond 600 million tons, sir.
That was in 2018-19.
अच्छा.
बट 2019-20 में तो थोड़ा कम हो गया. अभी 582 मिलियन टन. 582 मिलियन टन्स.
ओके सर.
समझ गया? देन इनका नेट प्रॉफिट तो इट वाज 17,464 इन 2018-19, लेकिन 19-20 में तो 16,700 crore profit.
Okay, sir.
Can you tell me what is the profit of Coal India in 2019-20?
So 16,700 crores.
Very good. And the percentage of net profit to net worth, it is now 52% as compared to 66% in the year 2018-19.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Similarly, the ratios is sales to capital employed is now 1.33. Debtors in month gross sales, it was only 0.47 months in 2018-19, but आजकल तो 1.28 बन गया. That is recovery थोड़ा delay होता है.
अच्छा. हाँ.
Yeah. Likewise, they have given so many things: gross sales, net sales, stock of coal and number of months net sales, gross sales, net worth, so many things. EPS, earnings per share.
हाँ हाँ
Earnings per share now is 27.12. Dividend declared was 7,395.27 crore. So these are the things just generally we can know about it. You are not a commerce
हाँ
man. You are not a commerce man, but फिर भी आपको भी जानना जरूरी है.
हाँ 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 राइट सर राइट
Now tell me what is renewable energy?
sir, renewable energy is a source of energy, sir, which is never going to be exhausted, sir. We can use it, sir. We can extract that energy and we can make it for our availability as per the use, sir. But its source is not never going to be exhausted, sir. Like solar energy is a renewable energy, sir. Wind energy is there, sir. Water potential also we can use, sir. But sometimes as per the water storage, sir. And geothermal energy is also there, sir. Basically, sun and wind, sir, we are using solar and wind.
Yeah. Now can you tell me what is a sustainable development?
Sustainable development, sir, means taking sustainable development of in the overall growth, sir, which we see for the which we take under consideration the overall growth of the company also with respect to technological advancement, and also if any issues are created like in the coal industry, pollution problem is there, water pollution, soil pollution, air pollution. So when we take care of the environment also side by side, sir, and taking our growth by taking care of both the things, then it will lead to a sustainable development, sir.
Very good. What is a PSU?
Public sector unit, sir.
What is that? Explain about it.
Yes, sir. PSU is a public sector unit in which the share of government is more as compared to the private player, sir. And in the public sector unit, it works for the growth of the country, sir.
What is CPSE?
CPSE, sir, I'm not aware, sir.
Central Public Sector Enterprises.
Acha, CPSE, हाँ,
Central Public Sector Enterprises. They are administered by the Ministry of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. And what is PSB?
Power Finance Board, sir.
No. Public Sector Banks.
Acha, PSB, acha, Public Sector Bank.
SLPE. State Level Public Enterprises.
Acha.
Can you tell me what is Maharatna? What is Navratna? What is Mini Ratna? थोड़ा ये सबको पढ़ लीजिए.
हाँ, yes, sir.
Probably you cannot answer now. Prepare कर दी. Can you answer what is Maharatna now?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, Maharatna category company in India, sir, it is that there are total 10 companies, sir.
Oh.
And for a company to become a Maharatna category, sir, it should have following criteria, sir. Like for 3 years, the average annual net profit should be about 2,500 crores, or the average annual net worth of rupees 10,000 crores for 3 years, or third one is average annual turnover of 2,000 crores for 20,000 crore for 3 years.
No, यहाँ पर I am seeing a different one. You kindly note down.
Yes, sir.
gkplanet.in.
Acha.
gkplanet.in. I will give the link. I will give the link in our video also. Video comments में दे देगा.
अच्छा, okay.
यहाँ पर दिया है. It is listed on Indian Stock Exchange with a minimum prescribed public shareholding under SEBI regulations. Average annual turnover of more than 25,000 crore during the last 3 years. Average annual net worth of more than 15,000 crores during the last 3 years. Average annual net profit after tax of more than 5,000 crores during the last 3 years, should have significant global presence in or international operations. Then it is called Maharatna. Maybe if there are some changes in it, हमको correct कर लीजिए.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Similarly, नवरत्ना का बारे में कुछ दिया है, मिनी रत्ना का बारे में कुछ दिया है, and they have also given a question: what are the benefits of having the tag of Maharatna, Navaratna, Mini Ratna?
Yes, sir.
List of Maharatnas, Navaratnas and Mini Ratnas. यहाँ पर दिया है महारत्नास में only 7 I am seeing. आपने बोला है 10. Are they?
10, sir. I told 10, sir.
You told 10. यहाँ पर देखते हैं only 7. BHEL, Coal India, GAIL, IOC, NTPC, ONGC, SAIL. इसका अलावा कुछ रिमेंबर है? यू आर रिमेंबरिंग एनी अदर 3 names? प्रिपेयर कर लीजिए.
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड. सो वेरी नाइस. यू आर आंसरिंग वेरी वेल. आपको तो समय भी है. You have interview on 20th only. So the question,
20th.
see the questions can be like, say, it can concentrate on electrical, it can come to economy, it can come about yourself, your college, your district. Anyway, it can be or about Coal India. इसलिए क्या पढ़ना है ये तो बहुत मुश्किल है. फिर भी आप प्रिपेयर करके रख लीजिएगा.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Very good. Do you have any questions?
Sir, question from my side is that, sir, means.
Confidence level is good only.
Acha.
You are answering well, but some of the silly questions I asked in electrical हो सकता है they may not ask.
Yeah.
They may not ask that. They will ask only macro level questions.
Okay.
But this type of questions like Maharatna, this and all, you can expect.
Yeah.
They can even ask you, how do you think you are suitable to work in this Maharatna? So आप सोच के आपका बारे में good points बताना है.
Yeah. Sure, sir.
Any other questions?
No, sir. Thank you for your valuable time, sir. You have given.
Very good. आपका नाम स्पेल कर
Sir, my
दीजिए.
name. Yes, sir. My name is
दीपक का बाद में क्या है? गवालकर.
Sir, Deotale.
स्पेलिंग
DEOTALE.
DEOTALE. ओ डियोटेले.
हाँ, Deotale, sir.
अच्छा, नया नाम है. I am coming across for the first time in my 70th year. Very good. Very good. So best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. So
Thank you, sir.
this time I will give you only 7 or 7.5 out of 10.
Okay, sir.
हो सकता है next time when you talk you may be able to improve your marks.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sure, sir.
But you are not an ordinary person. You have worked as a lecturer also.
Yes, sir.
So कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. फिर भी आपका सब्जेक्ट्स का बारे में पढ़ लीजिए.
Yes.
आपका प्रीवियस एक्सपीरियंस का बारे में पढ़ लीजिए.
Yes.
कोल इंडिया का बारे में पूरा समझ लीजिए. और कोल इंडस्ट्री का बारे में पूरा समझ लीजिए.
Okay.
ओनली थिंग इज एवरीथिंग वी हैव टू गेट ओनली फ्रॉम गूगल.
Yes, sir.
प्रिपेयर कर लीजिए. नोट्स प्रिपेयर करके रख लीजिए. लर्न टू प्रेजेंट them briefly. One good point about you is that you are presenting in a very brief manner. Very good. नॉर्मली लेक्चरर होने से तो ज़्यादा बात करेगा. आप तो अच्छा बात करते हैं. थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
बेस्ट विशेस.
Thank you.
बाय.
Bye, sir. Thank you.